I've been to a couple Nike outlets. They're not doing 40% off the back wall. $88 and you get 40% off. So that's under $40. So this is the cheapest I've seen these. Wow. And this is the first place I saw these. Seen these on the back wall now. Once again, all the way out in Ontario Mills. And of course, we got to start at the Nike outlet. I'm an hour and a half before they close. They got a little heat wall where you get 40% off. And I've been to a couple Nike outlets. They're not doing 40% off the back wall. All right, let's see what's going on here in Ontario Mills. Look at this, Jordan 38 lows right here, slightly imperfect, $88 and you get 40% off. Got some Zoom Freaks right here, $70, 40 off. I think cheaper at the Foot Locker outlet. Zoom Flight 95s, $80, 40 off. Some tiny Sabrinas right here, $65. These are gently worn. Penny 2s, $105. That's what, $60-something. Cosmic Unities, these are a size 5 though. So you get that 40 off. Bronze size 13, go for 100 gently worn. GT Cut 114. These are GT Cut 3s. And some Air Max 97s. Who knows what that price is because that's not the right one. Okay, yeah, these are going for $93. Got some Air Max ones right here. Nike by You going for $85. Beldons right here going for $60. Got Zion 3 size 11 going for $65. So that's what, under $40. We got these Air Max 1 corduroy mother lovers right here, $96. All right, I try to usually break things up, but I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm gonna go straight to the women's refurb as well. $85, slightly imperfect. Infinity Run 4s. Air Max 90, this is a grade school, and it's not an Air Max 90 either. Okay, 55, supposedly, I don't know. Metcon Turbo 2s right here, $75. Air Max 90s. These are some Futuras, go for $75. These are slightly imperfect. I'm gonna be honest, not really much to show you. Another Futura right here, go for $80. Juniper Trail 2s, go for $65. Gently worn, but not really much. Got like Super Up cycles and stuff like that, not much. A lot of people have been talking about the Bacons. I do not see them. They did have them here for $139. What was that, 2-3 weeks ago? I want to say 2 weeks ago. It was either, I think it was right there. All right, so do we see them on the back wall at all? Let's find out. All right, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Came to check these out, or to see if they had these, and look at this. Look at this, 140, 30 off here, which is crazy because we saw it totally different at the Citadel. We saw it different at East LA. Man, can't get no breaks, huh? What the hell? What the hell? At least you get 40 off. So it's still under $100, but yeah, that's different from 70. Waffle Dunks right here, $125. Those are size 9. Icon size 11. It's going for $100. What them beast modes going for? 110. And that's hella solid because that brings that down to what, $60 or something like that? I think that's the cheapest I've ever seen these. These started at $240. Damn, these ain't bad. I don't think I would wear that though. That's the only problem. But yeah, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. The Omnipresent Union Cortez, we've been seeing these everywhere lately. 90 here. These are size 10, and you get 40 off. Air Max 1 SEs right here, going for SE, my bad, 110. See these Metcons right here. These are priced right. They're size 6 though. Did not see any size 10 and a half for those. There are a lot of empties because they're going to close in a bit. Kind of came at the wrong time, but it was the only time I could come. And unfortunately, that is kind of the way it works most of the times. Every time, right? Whenever we go somewhere, we go when we can, right? We go when we can. You got Air Force Ones right here. Nike orange colorway right here. Definitely matches the box right there. These go for 90 something, $95. This is a retro, so you do get that upgraded leather. We got some football cleats. Hopefully everybody got their cleats by now because football season well underway. Niners got their butt whooped, which kind of bummed me out. 110 for these right here. But Niners played awful. Gave up a 97-yard touchdown. Also got an unforced fumble, which is kind of crazy, but Niners will be back. I ain't tripping. $60 for these, 40% off. So what is that, like 36 bucks? Not bad. That is size 11.5. Air Max 97s. We saw the box for this one. Infinity one, Flyknit 3s. We saw the box. It got switched with another one. $93. I think they're both listed at the same price, so it's all good. Size 11.5 Forces right here. These are a Lux LX one. 95 for those. Zion 3s. Go for retail, it looks like. Minus 40 off though. Nike by Jared right here. 40 off. Retail. All right, this is how the Nike Outlet Ontario looks right before they close. Oh, about an hour before they close. Wait, did I miss these? Air Max 1s right here. Nike by you. Raiders looking colorway. Congrats Raiders. Raiders got a huge win. That was pretty dope. I do root for you guys too. But yeah, this is going for retail. At least you get 40 off. Raiders do have one of the most loyal fan bases. Who else got a fan base more loyal than the Raiders? They leave the city multiple times. They leave multiple cities. Fools are still fans of them, dude. Pretty hardcore. Shout out to the homie Sergio. Does follow my videos. Look at this. Look at this. Air Max DNs. Starting to see these at the outlets already. And right now, great time to be patient because pretty much everything in the aisle is going down right now. Airspans right here. Price is not bad. Dope colorway too. Got a couple of Humaras right here. Air Max 90s. We've seen these before. Got Roshis going for hella cheap. What the hell? These are Tech Heras. Another one of those. Vapor Max Mock Roams. Nike Attacks. Air Max 1s right here. 270s. Air Max 90s. Air Max 1s. Air Max Plus right here. Solid price. These will go down. Got some Dunks right here. These are a Quick Strike. Way back when. And of course, plenty of the generic signatures right here. Solid price. And I feel like we've been seeing plenty of the LeBrons as well. Got some vertebraes right here. Nike SBs. More of the Airspans. Air Max 2017s. Pure Platinum White and Black. Then Air Max 2013s. We saw Nike come out with a few colorways of these. We're going to see a deluge of these at the outlets now. Another 2017 right here. Got some 21s. LeBron Next Gens. Do got these. Man, we just saw this. Or we saw one of them in the back wall. That was pretty dope. But they got plenty. I think you'll see additional sales on this soon. Got some ones right here. Another one right here. More Nike signatures right here. Budget signatures, that is. And then we see a bunch of the generic Jordans right here. 40% off apparel as well. Got sweats. I thought sweats would be more and more on sale, but tapered ones right there. 40% off 45. Nike Trail running shorts right here. $25. That's a hell of a price. See them. They're an X large too. Maybe that's the catch. Double XL right here. Yeah, because the double XL people, oh, y'all ain't trying to run that much, right? All right, that's not even clowning, no? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Was that mean to say? Is that just too real? I don't know. But double XL, $20 for those running shorts. That's not really offensive, right? That's just, I don't know, whatever. Y'all offended. Who really cares? It is what it is. 25 for these right here. These are extra skinny. God dang, dude. Holy cow. It says tapered fit right there. Team USA sweats right here. These are pretty dope. Pretty baggy too. These are dry fit. They want the full 90. At least you get 40 off though. More dry fit right here. These are all going for 90 as well. Might have to start getting some sweats for my kiddo. $40 for these shorts. Team USA apparel. We've been seeing a bunch of the Olympic gear because Olympics are done. So of course they're gonna go on sale. $20, 40 off. So 12 bucks. More Nike yoga hoodies right here. $43, 40 off. That's the cheapest we've seen those. 45 for this hoodie right here. US men's team. Oh, this is a women's team. This is the women's team. But yeah, 170. Dang, this is like the super authentic one. The material does seem way different than All the other jerseys we've seen. Dang, at least you get 40 off. Canada shirts right here, kind of random to see those in the States, 20 bucks. And a million other t-shirts. I'm not gonna go through all the t-shirts. Duke got all kinds of tech fleece here. I see a couple racks, that's why I say all kinds. Maybe not a million different ones, but with the price of these, $90, you do get an extra 30 off. Tech fleece sweatshirts right here, 80, $1 30 off. Got these reddish ones right here. These are $100 30 off. The tech fleece shorts right here. This would match, I think I got the jacket, right? Tech fleece jacket recently. $65, you get 30 off of these. I see a bunch of mediums, all mediums. We got more tech fleece right here. Tech fleece jackets, $105, 30% off. And we got some gray ones right here too. I think this is tech fleece too. Yeah, this is tech fleece as well, 30% off, $115. Damn. Do get 40% off all the Paris shirts right here. The US team apparel, all go for 20 bucks, all kinds of sizes. 40% off all these extra bright polos as well, down to 20 bucks. And I got these jacket, or yeah, this fleece jacket. It does match my backpack, but I'm not grabbing that, of course. $66. More USA stuff right here. I see all those t-shirts right there, all these shorts, 25, 40 off as well. Checking out the women's aisles. Do got some dunks. Got a quartet of dunks right here. That's a decent colorway. All suede bad boys right here. I got the Dunk Low Twist Pandas right here, go for $85. And as usual, plethora of blazers. Got some twos. These go for hella cheap, up to size 10 women's. These go to size 11 women's. I got some mids. Very similar to the selection in Camarillo. Air Max 90 Futures right here. Some ones. Awful ones. Got a quartet of these. And this is that a collab with someone? I don't know. But got clouds, does say snug. Got these here as well. All right, I am skipping the women's section because there's barely anything here. The women's clearance set is, got some Jordan 2s. That's pretty much about it. $75 though, that is hella cheap, especially with that 40 off. Wait, look at this right here. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s right here, like walking on clouds. These are down to $60 after discount. That's hella cheap if you could find one your size, 40% off. But I did come here for a specific purpose. I got what, an hour left or something like that? So I got stuff to do. I saw some of you guys bitching and moaning in the comment section. Why are you making a video if you're in a hurry? Like, what, would you rather not have a video? I don't know what the hell y'all complaining about. Y'all getting all kinds of free content. People just complaining just to complain. I do got these in the grade school. A lot sold out though. Yeah, so all in all, I don't know why y'all bitching and moaning, but I'll show you guys why I'm here. And maybe we might, yeah, we'll look around a little bit more. So I did come out this way, so I can stop by the Foot Locker outlet on East LA so I can get one of those Tech Fleece hoodies. And then I also need to stop by Banana Republic. All right, so I did order something online. None of the Banana Republic factory stores had these other than here, especially in the size I needed. And your boy needs to be a grown-up this upcoming weekend and wear a dress shirt. I needed to get a small, but does it fit? Dang, dude. Your boy wears a small dress shirt, and this is athletic fit. I wanted it a little bit tight. Athletic fit. Dang, dude. Boy wears a small. Damn, that's the first time since middle school since I've worn a small dress shirt. Or small anything. Holy crap. Holy crap. I think that cost me, what, $22? $21, something like that? Their dress shirts normally cost $70. I do believe Banana Republic factory store clothing is slightly different from regular Banana Republic stores, but for $22, something like that, that's just hella cheap. Hella cheap. I wanted the white one, but nobody in Southern California had the white one, so yeah, I'm good with it. See what's going on here. They do have a few of the Yeezys 380s, a couple of 380s, got some Quantums, decent sizes too. Size 13, size 8, 14s. 50% off the back wall unless it says, what the hell do they normally say? It says excluded from sales, I think. And here, I think they do the women's and the men's together. What is it? What this going for? 150. You get 50 off, so 75 for those. Another one going for $75. This one excluded. Yeah, right there, right there. These are going for 100 though. The OG, Ultra Boost right there. Got Dame 8s right here. Didn't even see these in the retail stores. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know what's up with that. Did you guys see these like crazy at the retail stores? I did not. 130, so 65 for those. Then they got some Ultra Boost right here. Nothing crazy though. Nothing too crazy. 130 for most of the Ultra Boost. 190. Oh, you get 50 off right here. Okay. That's about it, dude. Still out in Ontario Mills. What the hell are these doing here? Is that the cheapest we've seen for these? Holy crap, that's 7.5. So that is a men's. Got Bread to Low OGs on sale right here. And grade school military blue 4s. That's pretty crazy. 30% off the clearance rack, which is pretty dope. And they even have Kobe's here. What the hell?